How to fix Zoro.to not working problem. Hello friends, in this video we can talk about how can you fix the problem of Zoro.to not working, not opening or loading problem, internet connection not working. So guys, watch this video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. So Zoro.to facing sometime bugs, sometime problems. So you need to just refresh your page. There was refresh this page and again start the watching videos on Zoro.to. If still not it's working, you need to check your internet connection. The speed of your internet connection is working or not. Sometime internet was buffering or speed not working, low speed, so that maybe we are facing the problems of loading, and then why Zorato is not working. Sometimes Zorato also go on the under developer, it's working on developer, so it was sometime off. So wait some time and you can give the message of in a community. Just click on here community option and you can see here the community options, also chats. You can send your problems, Zorato not working, and if you have any bugs facing, you can just need to the tell there, and here also some solution available here, change email address, etc. The solution of your problems will be show here.